In this video, we are going to take a look at how to link CSS to HTML. There's three ways you can use to link your CSS document to your HTML document. The first way is what I've just shown you here. Inside your HTML document, you are going to have your style tag here. So this is called internal CSS. Basically, you just create a style tag and then add your CSS code in the styles tag here. This is internal CSS. Another way is writing inline CSS. With inline CSS, you basically go to the opening tag of an element here. For example, this h1 tag here. What I'm going to do here is say style, and then I'm going to write my CSS code in here. This will only apply to this h1 heading here. So here I'll say, let's say color, and then let's make that aqua and save. And as you can see, our heading now has the aqua color. So this is inline CSS. You basically use this when you want your CSS to apply to only one element. The most practical way for you to link your HTML document to your CSS document is creating a new CSS document in your file directory here. This is very useful because it allows you to link one CSS document to a lot of HTML documents. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to say styles.css and save. And I'm going to go down here and I'm going to erase this styles tag and save. And then to link our HTML document here with our CSS, I'm going to go to the head of my HTML document. Within the head of my HTML document, I'm going to add this line here, which is link, and then our relationship is going to be style sheet, and the href is basically going to be the source where we put our CSS document. So our CSS document is in the same directory as our HTML document, so we're just going to have its name here and its extension. So what I can do now is go back to my CSS document and write the same code again. Let's say body, and then let's say color, let's say aqua again, and then save. The name is not matching. This is styles sheet, and then save. All right. And as you can see, our text matches our style here. So basically, this is how you link your HTML document to your CSS document. I hope that explanation was clear. Please like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified when I release the next tutorial.